In this short video, we're going to look at using the status bar, located down here, to perform quick calculations. This spreadsheet has no totals, it just has data. But if I were to highlight a range of cells, a range of data, note down here I have the average, I have 29 count, and the sum. You can set the status bar defaults to appear down here by right-clicking on the status bar. We're interested in the group selected here. Average, count, and sum are selected by default. You can check the numerical count, the minimum, maximum, and then if you select a range of data, it gives you the average, the count, the numerical count, the minimum and maximum values, and the sum. You could highlight the entire range of data or numerical values and get the gross sum, the total sum. The difference between count and numerical count counts all cells, count counts all cells, numerical count counts only number cells. That's why there's only half the number. So again, right-clicking the status bar, select what you wish to appear in the status bar when you select a specific operation, and you can then quickly find average, count, numerical count, minimum, maximum values, and the sum. Hope you found this helpful.